From this, calculate the angle between vector A. What is vector A given? A is what? Minus 4i plus 2j, and vector B is what? B equal to what? Minus I 3j. We are now asked to find the what? The angle between the two vectors. The angle theta we are asked to what? To find. So you can now say what? From dot product, what? A magnitude B magnitude cos what? Cos theta. So to know the angle here, we can make the cos theta as part of the formula. We have cos theta equal to the what? A dot B over what? A magnitude and B what? B magnitude. We can also apply that same formula for this side too. Here, if we use what? Cos theta equal to the A dot B over what? A magnitude B what? Magnitude. Multiply this by this, it gives us what? 0 over this. We still arrive to what? 0. So you can use this formula to get this. Yeah? First of all is this. Let us find the A dot. A dot B. Minus 4 times 1. It gives us what? Minus 4. Plus 2 multiplied by minus 3. It will be minus 6. So A dot B will now give us what? Minus 10. The next thing is what? Let us find the A magnitude. See, if we have to find the A magnitude will be what? We have, let me say, we have what? Given that A is minus 4i plus 2j. So the A magnitude will be 4 square. We have what? Minus 4 square plus 2 square, everything square root. That's the meaning of what? A magnitude. Square this, find their square root, give you what? Magnitude of what? Vector A. You now have magnitude of vector A. This square will give you what? 16. This square will give you what? 4. Add it together, it will be what? Magnitude of what? Of A should be root 20. So let us know the what? Magnitude for what? For B. We are given that B should be what? I minus 3j. Have you now? So what will happen to the magnitude of B? It will be what? 1 square plus minus 3 square, everything square root. B will give us what? 1 minus 3 is given 9 with 2. B will be what? Square root of what? Of 10. So the next thing we have now is to apply this formula for our what? For our angle. So the angle is what? Cos theta. A dot B is what? Minus 10. Magnitude of A is what? Root 20. What is the magnitude of what? Magnitude of B is what? Root 10. We have cos theta to be minus 10 times what? Square root of what? Of 200. Square root of what? Of 200. And if you solve this further, again, This can also give us what? Cos theta should be minus 10 over root 100 multiplied by what? 2. And the square root of 100 is 10. Minus 10 over what? 10 root what? Root 2. So this 10 cancel 10. We now have cos theta should be minus 1 over what? Over root 2 in short form. And if we check the short form of this, theta cos inverse of minus 1 over root 2, it will give you what? Theta equal to what? 135 degree. So that is the angle between the two vectors. The next one is the last question here, which is question 5. Yes, I like this format, this question. Find the angle between this. And we are given that what? Vectors is minus 3, 4, and minus 5, and minus 12. This thing, we can rewrite this expression in this form. This is xi plus yj, and what? Xi plus yj 2. That like we have in what? In coordinate geometry, x and what? And y. That's what they did here. This it should now be what? A. This 3 is x, 4 is y, minus 5 is x, 12 is y. You can also rewrite it in this form. A is what? Minus 3i plus 4j. Abi? And the vector b is what? Minus 5i minus 12j. So we are asked to find the what? The angle between the two vectors. So if you are given this kind of vector in color form like this, convert it to what? To be in this form. This 3 is for x, 4 is what? Is y, like this coordinate. So the next thing we now do is what? Let us find the what? To know the angle will be, we're using cos. So by using a dot b, we what? A magnitude, b magnitude cos what? Theta. So the cos theta will be giving us what? A dot b over a magnitude b what? Magnitude. Now what will be the product of a? A dot b. What is a? Minus 3 times minus 5 is plus 15. Then plus 4 times 12. 20, 12, 24, 48. Have you now? 12 times 2, 24. Yes, it's 40 what? 48 plus, no, it's minus 40 what? 48. Yes, we have 15. This minus 48 from this. If it is minus 50, what? 35. Here we have 33. So the A dot B give us what? 33. And let us find the magnitude of A. What is our A? A is minus 3i plus 4j. So A magnitude will be 3 minus 3 square plus 4 square. It will give us what? 3 square is 9 plus 6, 16. A magnitude will be what? Square root of 25. So A magnitude is what? Is 5. And the next one will be what? B. Our B is what? Minus 5 I minus 12J. B magnitude will be what? What up square root of minus 5 square plus minus 12 square. So the square root for this minus 5 is what? 25. Square root of this is 124. We will now have what? 124 plus this. The magnitude of B will be what? Square root of 149. So the square root of 149 is 13. Is what? 13. B magnitude is what? Is 13. Let me solve the remaining one here. Yes. We are looking for what? Theta. Because theta will be equal to what? What is A dot B? A dot B is what? 33 over what? What is A magnitude? Is 5 multiplied by 13. So 5 multiplied by 13, it will give us what? Cos theta equal to the minus 0. This is minus. Good. Minus. Yes, minus. Minus is 5.77. So you now have theta equal to the what? Cos inverse of minus 0.500. So if we press the calculator, it's like it will give us what? Theta equal to 120.5 degrees. So that is all about the what? The solution to 5 questions given under scalar and dot product. The next aspect, or the next aspect, which is the last under vector analysis, it will be vector products.